These machines fold sheet metal. Magna bend folders are unique, highly versatile and easy to use machines for bending all types of sheet metal, both ferrous and non-ferrous. The new technology of the Magna bend brings speed and versatility to sheet metal work. The powerful electromagnetic clamping system means a compact design which gives more freedom to form the shape that you want. Sheet metal thicknesses up to 1.6mm or 16 gauge can be bent in the full length of the machine. You can bend steel, aluminium, copper, brass and stainless steel. Forming an ordinary bend is simplicity itself. The workpiece is inserted under the clamp bar. The start button is pressed to initiate clamping and the handle is pulled to form the bend to the desired angle. When the handle is returned, clamping is automatically released to allow repositioning for another bend. Notice how the compact clamp bar does not hinder the sheet metal workpiece when this deep channel is formed. This channel could be of any depth. The Magna bend has a very compact clamp bar compared with the bulky clamping structures of ordinary folding machines. This makes the Magna bend ideally suited to forming closed shapes such as this duct. Reverse folds are easily formed on the Magna bend. These bends can be as close together as 15mm. Even closer reverse bends can be achieved, as shown by the formation of this joggle offset bend. The offset of this joggle can be as little as 1 metal thickness. An important feature of the Magna bend is its open-ended design. This allows many operations which are just not possible on conventional folding machines, such as this partial length bend. In this operation, notice how the lack of any structural connection between the clamp bar and the bed of the machine allows the sheet metal workpiece to project out past the end of the Magna bend. Can you imagine this shape being formed on a conventional folding machine? These open-ended operations are made possible by special centerless compound hinges, which were developed specially for the Magna bend and are patented in many countries. An optional slotted clamp bar is available, which makes the forming of trays and shallow boxes very efficient. The positions of the slots have been calculated so that all sizes of boxes and trays can be formed. The size you want will be found somewhere on this bar. This tray won't fit here, but it will fit here. As the bend is formed, the sides of the tray pass into the slots. No adjustments of fingers are required, as on a conventional machine. A range of sizes of short clamp bars are supplied with every machine. These can be plugged together in various combinations to suit the size of the box to be formed. There's no limitation to the depth of box, which can be formed when using the short clamp bar. The magna bend has an accurate angle scale conveniently located in front of you on the handle. For repetitive bending to the same angle, a stop may be quickly set and clamped with the Allen key provided. When a large number of bends have to be made, all the same distance from the edge of the workpiece, it's very useful to set the backstops. Like the angle stop, these backstops are clamped in position using the Allen key. A dummy workpiece may be used to set a stop position under the clamp bar itself. It's easy to improvise special tooling for the magna bend. An intriguing example of this is the forming of a rolled edge. In this operation, the round forming bar is held in place magnetically, while the sheet metal workpiece is wrapped around it. The forming bar can be a solid bar or just a piece of heavy walled pipe. Radius nose tooling can easily be made by welding a bar to the edge of a piece of flat steel. This irregularly shaped tray is a good example of where a special former is useful. This power shear is available as an optional accessory. It enables cutting of sheet metal up to 1.6 millimetres thick. The magna bend both holds the sheet in position and guides the cutter, giving a straight and distortion-free cut. Eccentric adjusters at each end of the clamp bar provide a quick and convenient adjustment for sheet metal thickness. Some idea of the tremendous clamping force produced by the magna bend can be seen by the way the electromagnetic force springs the solid steel clamp bar. In the unlikely event of an electrical failure, this exchange electrical unit will replace all electrical components right from the mains plug through to the electromagnetic connector. The longer models of magna bend sheet metal folding machines are similar in use to the one shown so far. For long bending and heavy gauges, 2 operators may be required. A conveniently located lifting handle operates a clamp bar elevating system. A foot switch initiates clamping prior to bending. Screw adjusters at each end of the clamp bar provide adjustments for sheet metal thickness. Multiple hinges along the length of the machine keep the bending beam in accurate alignment. Every machine is supplied with a comprehensive manual which covers operation, maintenance and how best to make various basic sheet metal shapes. The MagnaBend model 650E is the smallest in the range. The model 1000E is next. It has a length capacity of 1 metre. The model 1250E will bend 1.25 metres. The MagnaBend model 2000E bends sheet metal in lengths up to 2 metres. The 2500E bends 2.5 metres and all models have a thickness